Hello guys, Cloudy baby, can you come here? Today I am heading out to a few errands. So I'm going to do a very minimal makeup. I just finished my workup for the day and also I showered, and this basic get readies will help for beginners. So anyway, I'm getting ready. That's why I'm trying to record, because sometimes it's much easier to do the live rather than doing it and editing. Seriously, editing is the longest part of anything. So I just have my skincare on the face. I don't have anything. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do like one or two things. This will be perfect for I know many of my clients will ask me Zoom get ready, like quick office get ready kind of things, because they say we need just like less than 5 minutes quick makeup. So that's what it is all about. As I said, I'm heading out. So this is our Brosense Bro Gel. This is for people who doesn't draw their eyebrows but still wanted to hold their place, and also if you have sparse areas like me, this is going to help grow it. And I didn't even dip. If you have seen, there are so much product in there. I even scraped out and I just used whatever is left out in the wand. So basically what you do is you go under and just try to coat the roots, and then I'm just going to, you can use a comb or you can use the same brush and just comb it through. This is going to hold it its place. So that's the first step I did. And second one, I'm obviously going to do my eye pencil. That's my favorite, but if you are more of a liquid liner person, then go ahead and do it, because liquid liner comes with practice. Hi Cloudy. So if you are I have many friends who used to wear who used to wear see, someone is coming with a ball so that I can play with them. So he has a ball around, then he will just nibble my legs. That means he wants me to play with, and that's how he is. Good morning, Soumya. So are you waiting? Okay. So he'll go grab it. That's really sweet to see. Whenever he wants me to play, he will bring it. So the next thing I'm going to do is the medium powder. So far we did just the eyebrows, and I'm going to just go over with powder. It's basically your preference. You can do CCTM. You can do our foundation, or for me, I'm a normal to oily person, and that too I worked out, and yesterday night I did retinol. So whenever you do retinol, morning sunscreen is a must. So I have already applied sunscreen. So yeah, so this will be perfect for you, Soumya. Like, you don't need to do a lot. See, this is just going to absorb all the excess oils. At the same time, it's just going to give you a nice look. So that's what I'm going for. So with that, what I'm going to do is, I know many of them will ask me like, oh, lip sense takes a little bit time, so can I do glosses? So with the glosses, the only thing is it's not smudge resistant, so that way it's not going to stay all day. But this is called pH glosses. These are limited editions, and this color is already sold out, so we do have only this color. I'm going to apply, that way you can see what it is. This is meant to be worn on its own rather than on top of a lip sense. What are you eating, Cloudy? You have something? So do you see the purpose of the pH glosses? It slowly start to react with my lips based on my pH level, and slowly it will start to give a color. So that's why if you are that kind of a person who just needs a little bit of color and you don't need to do lip sense when you are at home, then these glosses are really perfect. They are, because as I said, they have a little more, the consistency is little different when compared to any of the normal glosses. You can see there is a size difference, but these glosses are meant to be on its own, and also they will leave a slight tint even if it gets absorbed or smudged. That way you still have a like little bit of lip color, but at the same time it's not overpowering and it's not going to take a lot of time, and you can reapply anytime you want it. Just like 30 seconds application, it's not a lot. So that way you just have a little bit of powder, eyeliner and a gloss, that you will be good to go. And this came as a collection previously. This color sold out. This is called Perfect Pink. Even though it's in blue in bottle, it will change into a almost what's the, like a slight pinkish red tint, whereas this is more of a coral pink tint. So the more it stays, the more it's going to react with my lips, and it's going to give a perfect shade. And it's like a custom color, so it can look different on me, it will look different on another person, because based on everybody's pH level, that's how it's going to look. And today I really like the way the video looks today. I hope it's clear. As I was saying, this is a new setup and I'm trying to find which is the right direction I can keep the setting on. That's why I'm trying every day in a different setting. This even have my boxes close to me, that way it makes it easier for me to reach out and grab anything you guys ask for. And if you find it little darker, also let me know so that I can work on. I know Cloudy is working behind finding his things, but if you are looking for pH glosses, please do grab this one before it gets sold out. I do have a video on both the shades, that way you can see. It's supposed to, when it's supposed to go, it's supposed to be clear, but it will immediately start to react. Can you see the color? It slowly starts, and within like 5 to 10 minutes it will reach the maximum, and then it will leave the tint even if it is gone. So this is perfect for even a beginner, or if you don't want to do lip sense, this is a nice way to do. Compared to lip balm and other glosses, if you are going to go with just a gloss, then I would suggest you to go with a pH gloss. So have a wonderful day guys, see you all soon.